Is Dollar Tree making a little bit of a comeback, maybe? All right, you guys, let's just jump right into it because there's some fantastic things here. I grabbed some really cute kind of fairy gnome kind of things. First off, because I've got a DIY, but look at that one. That one's got like faux grass on top of it. It's like fuzzy. So I thought that was super cute. I've got a DIY coming up for those items, which I was excited to find those. That's kind of exactly what I was needing. I also found the cutest little rubber ducks. I have some friends that are obsessed with rubber ducks and they drive Jeeps, and so I'm gonna give these to them so they can use them for the ducking thing that people that drive Jeeps do. I don't drive a Jeep, I kind of wish I drove a Jeep. Yo, I found two viral finds from Dollar Tree. Viral finds from Dollar Tree. First thing I found was the mirror. Look at this mirror. It looks like an anthropology mirror. You can see my house there. There's my face. Super, super cute, right? The viral mirror. This thing is going all over YouTube and TikTok and everything right now. By the way, I'm on all those platforms, so definitely follow me, The Crafty DIY Guy, on all of those platforms. But this is so cute, right? Look, that's how I do it. That's how I do all this. Very simple tripod and my phone. Yeah, viral mirror. So fun. Then, in the home section, in the plus section, this is going to be amazing on the front porch. This was, that mirror, by the way, that was $1.50. This is a double citronella candle. This is going to be so fun out on the front porch. Again, viral. People are going nuts for these things. $7 in the plus section. And it's a dough bowl that you can reuse once this wax is all gone. And it's a great citronella candle. I'm gonna be putting this out on my front porch. Very excited about this one. Very excited to find that one. This was another find, and it's a larger find. There's a couple things in here actually. Let's unwrap these first. By the way, the lady that was at this Dollar Tree that I went to, the cashier, she was incredible. So shout out to her. She wasn't wearing a name tag, so I don't know her name. I did ask her, but honestly, I've just forgotten. She used a lot of paper towels here, so I'm going to reuse those. And there's a lot. We're still going. We're still going. We're almost there. Okay, you heard them clang. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, wow. I'm going to definitely reuse those. I'll put those in the craft room and then use those for DIY projects and stuff. Look how beautiful these little rose petal kind of candle holders are. I thought that these were beautiful. I've seen some of these that are made with like gemstones and jewels, and they've got that kind of iridescent look to them, so they're certainly fun. I thought that they'd be fantastic on the dining room table, and you could get some thicker pillar candles for these, and they'd even be beautiful like on a mantle or something. But what I was even thinking about, and I almost bought more than one, but look, they stack on top of each other really nicely. So if you wanted to do like two, and then maybe even three, and then maybe one by itself, you could have a very beautiful set of candle holders, and not much money. So super, super cute. Really, really loved those for sure. The other thing that I grabbed, and this was in the plus section again, $7, but it's a great summertime staple. It's a rotating snack bowl, so you can kind of see here. It's got the lid here. This is a Lazy Susan that's built into this. So you can take this to barbecues and parties. I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys. Again, this is the Lazy Susan, so it spins. And then this lid kind of clips down. It's got these inserts in here for all the snacks, and they all do come out, by the way. They come out individually. I just happen to grab them here for $7. If you want to take like a little charcuterie board, I don't want to knock everything out. if you want to take a little charcuterie board, maybe some fresh fruit, you're going over to a friend's house, or you're sitting out, maybe you're even sitting out on the back porch on your deck or on your front porch, and you just want some self-care and just want to have some little sneaky snacks for you, you can totally do this. And if you didn't eat all the snacks, you can keep this in the refrigerator and then just kind of, you know, nom 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 on it from throughout the day. So super, super cute, right? I think that that's amazing. And this is the best part. Built-in handles. Built-in handles, $7 at Dollar Tree. That's insane. That's insane. Those were the most expensive items that I bought. The snack holder and the citronella candle. Everything else has been regular Dollar Tree so far. And I think everything else that I've got is regular Dollar Tree. Oh, except for this. I lied already. This is plus section as well, but this is really beautiful. Check out that frame. Sorry for the glare. So the frame in the middle actually spins around. So you've got that side that's got the beaded side, which is kind of a farmhousey kind of look. And then there's another frame on that side. So depending on whether you like the plain white or you like the beaded in the white, that's option one. The picture, you get to change out. You can put a picture on either side, and then you can just flip and rotate the picture around, which is really cool. Or you can just do that. So the picture in the middle, you can kind of see, it kind of moves around, it spins around. Super cute. That was $5. So that was super good. And it's a 6x4 insert, by the way. Let's see what else we've got. I did need to do this in my car really, really badly. I went to a day spa on my birthday, and I wanted something to kind of clean the inside of my car before I went to the day spa because my car is so dirty. I was going to be embarrassed when the valets pulled up to get my car, but I just went with it and said, yeah, it's a dirty car. Sorry, park it, please, thanks. And of course, they were great. I got one of these scrubbies for the kitchen. It looks like a toilet bowl brush. I guess you could use it for that too. It does say it's a bottle brush, and I've had these before and really got a lot of use out of them. And then I also grabbed this one for the spongier stuff. So that one is exciting. I'm gonna save that item because some of these items are mixed up a little bit. Got some Armor All because, again, I was gonna wipe down the dash and clean the car a little bit before going to the day spa. I know, I'm silly. This is a hack. I don't know if you guys have heard this hack. I've heard that all the ladies know this, but the guys, I don't know if guys know this or not, but in the summertime, I don't like to wear socks. I don't like wearing socks with some shoes. And I don't like wearing the little half feety socks because they never end up staying in place. But a friend of mine told me a hack is to take spray deodorant, spray it on your feet, and then when you wear your shoes without any socks, your feet won't smell. So there's a hack for you. I don't know if it works or not. Let me know. I'm gonna try it. Again, some Armor All spray for the intentions of the car. The good thing is those I can keep in the car though, and then if I need to do a fresh up, I can. This is a new skincare line, and this also has been pretty viral. There's been a lot of viral finds lately at Dollar Tree, and I found some of them. This whole collection is supposed to be really good. So this is the kind of Power collection from Global Beauty Care. And I found the Power face wash, which again is supposed to be pretty amazing, and it's complementary to a lot of really kind of higher end skincare. And then also I found the Power toner. I found the Power moisturizer, and then also the Power bubbling clay mask. And these four together are really supposed to be a powerhouse, and it's getting a lot of buzz on social media right now. So I found the viral skincare stuff at Dollar Tree, which is kind of cool. The next items, let's see what else is down here. Otis was just down here sniffing around. Oh, it's so funny. I forgot to even drink this. Lipton iced tea. Didn't really plan on showing you that, but I did. This is some fun stuff here. This is a good mix of a lot of stuff. These wooden arrows. They're so much bigger than the other ones, I feel like. Maybe not. Maybe I'm delusional. But I had some fun DIY sign ideas for those. So I'm going to keep these in the craft room stash and do some DIYs with those. I picked up some of these for a coworker of mine. She loves to do this diamond painting kits, and she was asking me about them the other day because she knew that I can find some at Dollar Tree sometimes. And so these are some coasters. So I grabbed those for her. Put those over there so I don't forget to take them. Fun sunglasses for summertime. I thought I grabbed 3 there. Maybe not. I could have sworn I grabbed another one. All right, so I feel like I'm missing something. I grabbed some fun sunglasses for the pool and some fun flamingo ones that are just kind of silly. And my friends have a kind of like a little cocktail cove, they call it, kind of like one of those 2-foot kind of the not shipping container pools, the metal pools that are stock tank pools. They have one of those, and it's fun just to go and just sit in, and it's got an umbrella over it, and we just sit in there and have cocktails and just enjoy the day. And then these I thought were super fun. They kind of look like the Statue of Liberty, and you know, just again, silly kind of fun sunglasses to just enjoy the day with. And what else is in here? This little kit I thought was cool. This little round kit. So it's just 3 round pieces of wood for crafting. Love that you've got the larger size, and then you've got this middle size and the small one. Thought that was kind of cool. I did also grab some foot spray. This is a tea tree foot spray, and this is supposed to refresh and deodorize, so I was thinking this could possibly also work for the feet in the summertime kind of hack there. These I'm so excited about right now. The weather outside is kind of yucky. We don't have, it's super cloudy, so I can't put these outside until we get some sunshine, but they are solar and they look like rocks. How cool are those? So I got 3 of them, and I'm hoping they work really good. Usually I've had some pretty good luck with the solar lights from Dollar Tree, but I have an oak tree that's in front of my house, and I thought that these could be kind of cute, just kind of spread out around in the planter, you know, kind of thing under the oak tree. So that's kind of what I'm going to do with these. And again, they just kind of look like solar rocks, and they stick right down in the ground. So we'll see. The guy that cuts my grass probably will hate them, but I'll put them in the flower planter box itself. That way he shouldn't have to deal with them. But that's my haul. That's everything. Found some really cool viral finds from Dollar Tree, and you know, who knows, maybe my love of Dollar Tree will come back soon. All right, you guys, until next time, I will chat with you later. All right, take care. Bye.